Okay, here we go. We are going to pick this Master Lock. See, it says Master Lock. Right here. Okay, it's a real lock. Here's the key. Alright. I'm going to put the key in the lock and open it. Okay. It opens. Take the key out. Okay. Real lock. Okay. Secure. Okay. I'm going to unlock it without the key using tension wrench. Okay. That's tension wrench. And this particular lockpick tool. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Start the clock. Tension wrench in. Alright, here we go. Cue the exciting music. There you go. Tension wrench, lock pick. Voila, it's open. Open sesame. Close it back up. And to prove that I haven't tampered with it in any way, here's the key again. There you go. Yes. Picked Master Lock with a lockpick and tension wrench. Thanks for watching.